All right, it's finally that day. Day has arrived. We're gonna break Lil Red out of storage today. Take her home, clean her up, maybe go for a little cruise. This is where she sat the last 6 months, untouched. Actually came here the other day, just pulled the cover back, opened the hood, left the door open for about an hour, kind of let it breathe. See, I did not unhook the battery. This battery is over 11 years old. Interstate. See how that plays out. Well, let me get it uncovered here, and we're gonna do a first start in 6 months. Alright, I'm going to bring you in cab for the first start. You can see the engine on this truck is untouched original. 42,000 miles. I'll have to double check that. Here's the original thermal quad. Never been rebuilt, all original. Let's hop in, see what happens. Get you up on the gauges here. So the fuel usually drains back. So I could take the air cleaner off, fill the bowls with fuel. What I like to do is let it crank for a little bit and try to get some oil pressure before it actually fires. So, oh, we got a gas gauge. That's good. That means the battery's not totally dead. And what I like to do is just one to the floor, set the choke, and let's crank her up. This battery is unbelievable. I haven't seen any oil pressure yet. Let's try it again. Yeah, it is 42,000. Oh, oil pressure starting to build. All right, third time. She gonna fire. Go, coming out of hibernation. it's been a long 6 months. Is that a sight for sore eyes, huh? Give her the spring dust off, give it a little tire shine, and get it out for a cruise. Well, we're going to end this video here with a little short cruise. To let you know, I'm going to be making a video shortly here of pulling the heater core out of this truck. It let loose on me at the end of the year. Man, what a mess that was. I have some video and some pictures of, yeah, I had to tear the carpet out of this. Oh, it was a mess. I got the heater line just looped right now, so I have no heat. But shouldn't be too crazy of a job. You got to take the dash loose a little on one side, and it's definitely going to be challenging. So I'll bring you guys along. I'm going to have a local radiator shop rebuild it for me. So I guess at the same time, I'm going to pull the heater core out of the Warlock and maybe get some kind of deal for doing two, but man, this truck drives like a dream. Got her shined up a little. We're gonna leave you right there, guys.